Todavía no he grabado. Todavía.
An adverb meaning still or yet. Pronounced
Todavía.
with the stress on the second syllable. It indicates that the action of
Grabar.
to record hasn't happened up to the current moment. It implies a continuation of a previous state.
No.
An adverb meaning not. Pronounced
No.
a simple negative particle. It negates the verb.
He grabado. He.
A personal pronoun meaning I, and is in the first person singular form. Pronounced
He.
a very short and unstressed sound. It is the subject pronoun performing the action.
Grabado.
The past participle of the verb
Grabar.
which means to record or to film. Pronounced
grah-BAH-doh.
with the stress on the second syllable. Here it's used with
He.
to form the present perfect tense, indicating a completed action relevant to the current time. Putting it together
Todavía no he grabado.
means I still haven't recorded, or I haven't recorded yet. It's a statement indicating that the act of recording has not been completed up to the present moment.